taking you to the going to our apartment. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and this is the kitchen. It's kind of odd having this tiny window. And then one fireplace. It's this one. Oh, is it that? Yeah, an imaginary TV here. According to him, it's a new carpet. So I was like trying to feel it earlier. This is the first room.
It's gonna be my room.
It's gonna be Paula's room. Pretty self-explanatory. She gets to have a walk-in closet. Good for you. And we're gonna be sharing our space here. Maybe you can put your... This is gonna be my room. No walk-in closet though. But it's okay. I'm a minimalist, so I don't mind. But I don't have any shelves. Staticky. This is where Chico's gonna be staying, our other roommate that's not here. Everything is so freaking
It
staticky.
is cold.
Really freaking jealous because he has so many storage. 2 sinks? Are you kidding me? And that's it. That's our home for the next year.
I'm currently packing again. So we visited the apartment earlier. That's what you saw. And that's where I'm gonna be living for the next year. We're renting that place. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's 1,525 per month. And there's 3 of us. So I think it's pretty affordable. I mean, it's not super affordable, but it's not overly expensive, unlike in Hawaii. I lived in a studio and it was like 1,400 with my ex, and that was really insane. I would not be able to afford it myself, to be honest. I'm just having a lot of introspective moment this past few days because we've been here for 2 weeks and I haven't found a job yet. I know it's Vegas and there's a lot of jobs here, but I've been hearing a lot of stuff about you need to have a connection in order to get a job here and stuff like that, but I'm not losing hope. While I was packing, I was just thinking about how many times I've been doing this, like so many times. Like this year alone, I've been packing so much. I mean, it's not bad type of packing every single time. There would be like happy packing where I'd be going on vacation, and then the rest are just like I don't know. 2019 is coming to an end, so hopefully this is the last time that I'm gonna be packing and unpacking. Hopefully the last time in a while. Hopefully the last time in a very while. We were supposed to be moving in today, but my bed doesn't come until tomorrow, so I don't really want to move in to an apartment where I don't have anything to sleep on. So we have to wait for... It's really stupid because we still have 2 weeks for this Airbnb. We paid for a month for this Airbnb. We were not really expecting to be moving in this soon. We're not expecting that we're gonna find an apartment this soon. We still have 2 weeks left in this Airbnb, and cancellation policy for Airbnb is just nuts. It's non-refundable. So So we just have to let that idea go that we're gonna get any of our money back. So it's been a crazy day. It's been a full day of just Target run, Walmart run, Best Buy. We've been everywhere. And so yeah, there's no light yet in my room. I actually don't have any lights up there. I'm gonna have to buy a lamp. Possibly a floor lamp so it can sustain some light in the room. It's really weird. Right now, I do have the bathroom light sustaining some light here in the room, and I'm just unwrapping my full-size bed. It came this morning. We're still very much all over the place. We don't have a lot of stuff yet. We did try, but my friend Chico actually needed to go to work tonight at 6 o'clock. And we also have a friend in town, so I don't know, we might go out tonight. I don't know, we have so much stuff to do, and yeah, I'm just making my bed so I can sleep on it tonight. Also, I feel like I'm gonna get sick. I've underestimated the weather here. I didn't know it can get really cold in here. And you already know, coming from Hawaii, I'm not really used to this weather. Here's the bed. I'm so happy with the size, and the pillowcase was really stretching it. It almost didn't fit. This is so soft. Ross. I just bought this at Ross. It's so soft. It's so cute. I love the quilted thingy.
My friend John is here visiting
Aloha!
us. Aspiring Yaya. Charot.
Good morning, good evening, hello, aloha, Yaya Dora po, and travel vlogger.
Hello, hello, hello! Right now we're here in Las Vegas Strip in...
Ano?
Where?
We're in Paris. What are you talking about? See?
Oh yeah, that's right.
Paula just won $120. How much did you,
20. So basically, I won like $100.
She won $100.
Just
Woo!
You are not less pure or less valuable as a person because of your sexual activity. Why is it also something that's normalized to have this hypersexual get over it? Truthfully speaking.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is our third day. So this is officially our third day from moving in. I'm just cooking sausage rigatoni because we're going over to our friend's house for Thanksgiving. God. I hate chopping onions. I don't really cook a lot, but I've made this for a potluck before at work and everyone seemed to love it, so that's what I'm cooking right now. So it's really easy. You need a box or two of rigatoni. I'm thinking of making 2 pans so that, you know, we can bring one to the party and then just one here for us to eat. You also need Italian seasoning. I'm chopping some onions and garlic, cheese, and of course, Italian sausage, tomato sauce. I got this tomato sauce because it's already basil infused. So instead of putting in actual basil, which can be quite expensive, it's already there. You know, save you some buck. I think this is just common knowledge, but I like to undercook it. So let's say the box says 14 minutes, I would do it for 12 minutes. So it's not al dente yet because I'm gonna put it in the oven. So it'll just give it time to fully cook and be al dente. You don't want it to be really soggy. That's why. I'm really bad at this vlogging thing. So much has happened in the past 24 hours. So we bought a dining table and a couch at IKEA. It was our first time buying an IKEA. I had no idea it's like that. You have to take a picture of the code and you have to go to the warehouse and then get a card and then load yourself because you don't ship. I did not know all of that. And I'm so thankful because we have a couple friends here. Actually, they're a family now. They have a baby. And they helped us out. They have an SUV and they helped us out move everything. And yeah, they invited us for dinner. We had loco moco. They cooked for us. It was so nice of them. Like, I am beyond grateful for them for helping us out with all of this. It was also my first time checking out the parcel pending thing. It's the mailing system that we have here. We had to pay $40 for that though, but that's good for the whole lease, I guess. It's a really secure way of getting your mail. There's a code that you have to input and stuff like that. It's kind of like one of those lockers when you go to an airport or Universal Studios, big theme parks. This is the dining table, and then the couch that Paula already kind of unboxed. That's what I'm gonna do today after I shower, before I shower. Before or after? Before I shower, probably. So, because I'm gonna get all sweaty and get down and dirty. My friend Randy, the one I mentioned, freaking lended us his toolbox. So everything I need will be in here to build this freaking stuff. Okay, so after 4 hours, I finally done. It only took me 4 hours. This is a couch. We were so unaware that it didn't come with a cover, so we're gonna have to buy a cover. But it looks cute. It's a couch. And our high top dining table. Let's see. I'm so tired. It feels so good.